To add Fingerprint into the Google Pixel 9, first of all, you will have to go into the settings, then keep scrolling until you find Security and Privacy, open it, and then go for Device Unlock. Right now we have to set this normal screen lock, so in my case I've got the pattern. Click to add the fingerprint, input your current screen lock, and now select to get the fingerprint unlock. So as you can see right now, we got some basic information about this function. Click I agree in the right bottom corner, and now you can start set it up by clicking start in the right bottom corner. So now all you have to do is just to touch and hold the sensor after you've got this information that you have to lift and then touch it again. And you will have to scan every part of your fingerprint, the left side, up side, right side, bottom part, middle part, and just simply keep touching until this circle goes full with the blue color. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.